Buntag! Dito ako ngayon sa Bern, Switzerland. Hi! So, today is Switzerland's national holiday. So, happy birthday, Switzerland! And kaya ako nandito sa Bern is to witness and celebrate this holiday and see what's up. So, ito na yung clock tower, and I've read na since this is Switzerland's national holiday, yung tour to go inside here is free. Oh my God! Admission is free and ang haba ng pila. Hindi naman masyado. Okay lang. Tapos na yung tour. No, not the tour. The explanation of the clock. Let's go up to see the view. So, being the oldest astronomical clock that still works until now, I should say that it's really a wonderful experience to be able to see what's inside. And nakikita ko lang to talaga dati sa movies, sa fairy tales, sa books, and now I was able to see what's inside and behind the clock. I wish I had more time to, spend inside, but marami pang nag-aabang. There. Just look at the line. So marami pang nag-aabang, even if I wanted to have more time inside. Let's give chance to others. Hello! So, dito sa Switzerland, kung mapapansin niyo, and ito din yung babangga tayo. Ito din yung una kong napansin is that during weekends, especially holidays, yung mga shops closed. Tulad ngayon, sarado yung mga shop sa paligid. Magbilang mo lang yung bukas. So, kahit na holiday today, pati yung shops, restaurants, holiday din. I think na brought up ko to dito sa I think I already brought this up to my boss na I told him my observations and such, and I compared na sa Pilipinas kapag weekend, kapag holidays, mga tao nasa labas gumagala, and restaurants, malls, shops, they're open. Pero today, as you can see, sarado. And on normal weekends and other holidays, sarado din yung shops. So in case you didn't know, August 1 is the Swiss national holiday. So it's Switzerland's birthday today. And dito sa Bern, sineselebrate nila yon this August 1. And in some cantons, in some cities, they celebrate it July 31st, midnight, with fireworks. And sa Basel, I was grateful because I was able to witness such celebration, and I've never seen the city so crowded and alive last night. So ayun, I think I will just insert some clips here in addition to Switzerland's birthday celebration.
Flashback. End of flashback.
So, hello again. I'm currently exploring Bern, and look what I found. Ito yung River Aare. And hindi ito yung first time na nakita ko to because it goes through Interlaken as well. And it makes sense kasi ang Interlaken is just over there. Just go there. So, dito talaga sa Switzerland, kahit saan ka magpunta, merong hiking trail. And I'm not prepared for this, but anyways, I think this will be fun as always, and calm. And look at the river. And don't worry about the hiking trails here. Maraming mga tao ang nag-hike and nag-jogging as well. So, hindi ka mapapano if ever you find yourself in this kind of place. Look, it's so beautiful! Ala! Ang ganda! I'm so close to the water! Ala! Just look at that! May mga bear! Oh my god! Look! So they love to swim. Kaya lang, walang nagsuswimming for now. So, hello again! And just a trivia, did you know that Switzerland has 26 cantons? Or cantons can be compared to as states. So, yung cantons para siyang states. So, we can say na ang Switzerland ay meron 26 states and they call it cantons. And Bern is one of those cantons. And each canton has its animal that represents them. And if you could guess, Bern, the animal that represents it is a bear, because Bern basically means bear. Welcome to the Rose Garden, where you can see the spectacular view of Bern. So, sarado na yung Monster. So, hanggang labas na lang tayo. And there's a park over here. And from what I read, it's one of those perfect viewpoints of the city. Gusto kong manalo dito, voucher. Let's join. Okay, it's my turn. Okay. 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 I'm nothing. Okay, thank you. What's this?
Dalawang box eh.
Gusto ko ng tubig.
O, malay mo.
Hindi ko naintindihan to. Ano to? It would be better kung bote na lang ng tubig yung nakuha ko, diba? Hello! So, let's try some face paint.
She was his wife, just trying to make the world a little better, you know. Shine a light. It's gonna be alright. Singing over about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.